How to fix Play Store download pending update apps guides. So hello everyone, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can fix that. So for that, simply click on Play Store. Once we click here, you guys will simply see on top right corner profile pic. So simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will see your account name and other things, but we will simply scroll. Once we scroll, you guys can see settings are down. So simply click on settings. Once we click on settings, here you guys can see general network preferences, family about. Simply click on network preferences. Once we click here you guys can see app download preferences. So simply click on that. Now here you guys can see over any network, over Wi-Fi only, ask me every time. So if you are using Wi-Fi, simply click on over Wi-Fi only, and if you are using both, simply click on over any network. After that, you guys will see auto updates app. So simply click here you guys can see update over Wi-Fi, don't auto update, update with a limited amount of mobile data, update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. So if you want to auto updates automatically, simply select the first one, and once you select it, that's it. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.